A coroner's inquiry into the deadly Bourke Street rampage in Melbourne will hear again from one of the officers who tailed the killer driver before the massacre.
Let's go live to Patrick Murrell. Pat, the detective says there's no plan which could have stopped Gargasoulis.
That's right. The inquest has been hearing from Detective Murray Gentner, a police officer who had extensive contact with James Gargasoulis in the days and indeed hours leading up to his attack on Bourke Street. Yesterday, the court was played never-before-seen vision taken from the Victoria Police Air Wing helicopter as it trailed Gargasoulis for half an hour before the rampage on Bourke Street. You can see in that vision Detective Gentner trailing Gargasoulis in an unmarked police car. He's on the phone to Gargasoulis trying to convince him to surrender, but at a point he sees that conversation as fruitless and terminates his pursuit to regroup with other police units and formulate a new plan to apprehend the soon-to-be killer driver. Minutes after this pursuit was called off, Gargasoulis entered the CBD, mounted the curb on Bourke Street and went on to kill 6 people and injure dozens more. When asked if any police plan could have prevented this, Detective Gentner replied, "I've thought about this a million times, and unless you had a crystal ball, the answer is no." A day after the rampage, a now traumatised Detective Gentner wrote to his superiors criticising a bail justice decision to set Gargasoulis free when he was arrested 6 days before the Bourke Street attack. Gentner told the court how he was in the process of writing additional charges up for Gargasoulis when another officer informed him he was about to be bailed in an out-of-hours hearing. Gentner said that he ran down the stairs in order to oppose this. He said that Gargasoulis needed mental health assistance and was at an unacceptable risk of reoffending. Nonetheless, Christos Pantelios, the bail justice, set Gargasoulis free. Of course, that bail justice strongly disputes this version of police events. The inquest will hear from him later this week.
Pat, thanks for that.